தேன்மொழி மேம் போடுறாங்க உங்களுக்குலாம் என்ன? Next, you need to process management. First one, you have to introduce about what is the program in execution in all basic concept. What is the program in execution? How what the program to be executed? What the job to be done in a program? Next, we have to different features are available in the program execution. What are the different features? Now, first one, scheduling, creation, termination, and communication. Next, what's a client server system? What's a client and a server system? Now, nothing but the job should be scheduled from the client to this server. Next, process concept. What's a process concept? No process, no nothing but it will be program in execution. Next, the program code will be called as text section. What's the text section? No? The stack will be the temporary data in a text section, and data section will be the global variables. Next, the heap containing some more memory dynamically allocated by the runtime. Next, what are process in the memory? Na? First one stack, next heap, data, and text. In the maximum value will be available in the stack, and the text value will be the 0. Now we have to give any job schedule. Now give the text values, it will be a 0. Text upcoming text value will be the zeros. Next, what's the process concept? Now the program is a passive entity, and next the disk will be the active entity. Next, the execution of program will be a GUI, mouse clicks, commands, and lines. Next, these are the process control block. What are the process control block? Na? Number of register and process state, and next accounting information, and next list of open files, next IO status information, next memory allocation, next program counter, next priority number, next process animation. This is the process control block. The list of process control blocks will be available in the information which associated with each process. Next, what are process state? Na? These are the process state: new state, running state, waiting state, ready state, terminate state. The new state, na, it will be the process to be created newly. With running state, na, the process will be executed, or otherwise instruction to be executed. Next, waiting state, na, the process will be waiting whenever the job are assigned, or otherwise some event will be occur until the waiting jobs will be continued. Next, what are the ready jobs? Na? It will be waiting to be assigned. Waiting state will be completed. Na? Next, the job will be assigned. Next, to be continue to the job, or otherwise continue to the event. Next, after completing the execution, the terminate will be the state. Next, these are the diagram of process state. New state, next it will be continued to ready state, next it will be continued to waiting state, next it will be continued to running state, next it will be terminated. Next, the OS maintains the queue. What is a queue? Na? First priority queue, scheduling queue, many queues are available. First one, the ready queue, na, the process will be process or the instructions to be ready or executions to be started. Next, blocked queue, na, blocked process will be started. Next, the process of assigning the first process. Next one, completing operations. Next, hardware impacting clock. These are the exit reasons. What are the exit reasons? Na? After we completed the operations, or otherwise we can unrecoverable error will be occurred during the operation. Any hardware interruptions will be avoided. These are the exiting reasons. Next, state transition and remarks. What are the state transition? Na? Ready to running. What is the remarks? Process is dispatched. Next, running to ready state, na, the process time will be the expires. Next, running to blocked state, na, the process will be blocked, or otherwise a process will be waiting for some event. Next, blocked to ready state. What are the blocked to ready state? Na? Blocked state is a state. What are blocked state? The process will be blocked, or otherwise any no more executions will be under blocked state. Next, block completed, na, ready. If any event occurred, okay, next we have to ready to doing our job. For that purpose, we are going for block to ready state. Next, ready to exit, na, okay, completed the operations. Abdina, it will be called as exit state. Next, running to exit, na, after completing the process, it will be called as running to exist. Ready to exist process, na, parent process or terminate child process. Parent process will be execute, only the child process will be terminated. These are the ready to exit state. Next, it will be the IO devices is slower than the processor, because of the job will be many jobs will be assigned in a queue state, or otherwise somewhat any problems occurred in hardware, or somewhat problems will be occurred in any times. Now it will be delayed for event occurs, the job will be suspended to other jobs. If a jobs are allocated, if a event work are allocated, na, it will be continually and the process will be executed. Any blocked state will be occurred, or any error will be occurred, na, the blocked state will be continued. Next, job queue. Job queue, na, nothing but I am saying that all the process will be the system. It will be ready to occurred one by one. The job is ready. Next, ready state, na, it will be the same as a job queue. Job is ready. You can ready to continue your work or continue your event. Next, what is a ready queue? Na? It will be considered as IO queue. IO queue nothing but input and output queues. The input and output queue request to the time slice. They will request to the time. What the request na? I am ready. You can continue your job like that. Their IO queue will be remind to the time slice. Next, focus child na nothing but after the time slice expired, or after that the time slice is completed, na, next the child process will be executed. Next, the child process also completed, na, it will be the terminate to the operation. Next, there are two types of scheduler. What are the two types of scheduler? Na? Long-term scheduler, medium-term scheduler. Long-term scheduler, the process will be selected by through the ready queue. Medium-term scheduler, na, just swapping the function, removes the function from the memory from IOU. These are the from the medium-term scheduler. Next, many process like swapping, swap out, swapping, and jobs will be allocated to particular ready queue, or otherwise particularly to CPU, or otherwise any input devices are waiting. Na, the swapping, na, nothing but the jobs will be allocated for somewhat. Next, swap out, na, it will be completed job. It will be entered to the job. Next, short-term schedule. What is short-term schedule? No, it will be the existing process will be allocated for CPU. Thank you.